Welcome to the first of a three-part series on the structure of international investment agreements. IIAs typically consist of a definitions section, which is usually at the top of the investment agreement. Then, a section providing the terms of the substantive standards of the investment treaty. And finally, a section on the procedural rules for dispute settlement. This clip briefly discusses the definitions section, so please be sure to also check out the other videos on substantive standards and procedural rules for dispute settlement. Definitions. The definitions section in investment treaties typically cover the scope and meaning of terms like investor and investment. Although investor can include natural persons, it typically refers to the juridical person like a company, the country of organization or incorporation, the country of the seat, joint venture, trust or partnership constituted in accordance with the applicable laws of the host state contain many nuances that can affect the jurisdiction of an investment tribunal. Moreover, Article 25 of the Convention on the Settlement of Investment Disputes between States and Nationals of Other States, more simply known as the ICSID Convention, does not provide a definition of investment. It merely states that the jurisdiction of the center shall extend to any legal dispute arising directly out of an investment. This was an intentional omission by the negotiating parties of the ICSID Convention that has led to jurisprudential controversies on what constitutes an investment under the ICSID Convention. The Salini case rose to stardom when the decision was rendered back in 2001 because it shone light on the issue of what is an investment when the ICSID Tribunal provided a test based on these four elements. 1. A substantial commitment or contribution of money or assets. 2. A certain duration. 3. Assumption of risk. And 4. Contribution of economic development to host state. The Salini test has not been without controversy, however, especially regarding the validity of the fourth element. Recent arbitral practice has been to focus on the three elements of the Salini test on contribution, duration, and risk to help form an objective criteria to investment as provided under Article 25 of the ICSID Convention.